Number system, I explained you last class. What is the number system? Number system means 5 minutes, children. I want to revise back previous. Aditya Srivastava, I'll ask you at the end.
Okay, sir.
Please listen. You said wrong. That's why. Laksh, you also. Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. So natural numbers, we know that. So all counting numbers starting from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Whole numbers. Here only children. A numbers, all natural numbers and 0. So this is the example for that. 1, 2, 3 and so on. Whole numbers starting from 0. So integers, all positive numbers, all negative numbers and including 0. So this is the definitions for like that. Integers, whole numbers, natural numbers. This is all previous class only. I explain you here, children. A number of the form P by Q, any number you can express in P by Q is called rational numbers. Yes. So positive rational numbers, negative rational numbers also I explain you. If you observe, both are positive, rational number is positive. Both are negative, rational number also positive. Here, both here, minus 56 by minus 65. Both are negative, but the rational number is positive. So either numerator or denominator, any one is negative, the whole rational number is negative. So 0 also rational number we discussed. So what is rational number we discussed? So example, we did sums also. Now, irrational numbers also I given that day, just basic introduction. So today I want to explain you. Irrational numbers are any number that cannot be expressed as a quotient of two integers. Quotient of two integers means we cannot express in P by Q form. One more. So here, a number S is called irrational. So irrational numbers are denoted by S because natural numbers denoted by capital N, whole numbers denoted by W like. So a number S is called irrational if it cannot be written in the form of P by Q. So where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. This is the common condition. If Q is equal to 0, it's undefined. We cannot define that. So you already know that there are infinitely many rational numbers. So it turns out that there are infinitely many irrational numbers too. We will say that how many rational numbers? Rational numbers are infinite. Like that, irrational numbers are also infinite. I give any example, root 2, root 3, root 15. Here pi also irrational numbers. We'll discuss. Simple definitions. Irrational numbers. An irrational number is a number that cannot be written as a fraction. Now we'll understand. Fraction means like A by B like that of two integers. Irrational numbers written as the decimal are non-terminating and non-repeating. So what is non-terminating? What is non-repeating? I'll explain. So real numbers. This is the most important. Real numbers. First here, rational numbers. Any number which can be written as a fraction. 7 we can write as a fraction. 2.09. So 2 is a whole because 2 9 by 100 we can write mixed fraction or improper also. 0.3 bar. So we'll explain you bar. This also you can express as a fraction. So how you got 1 and all we'll do that. Just this is understand. Real numbers means rational and irrational. Combination of rational and irrational. So rational means any number which can be written as a fraction. This is we cannot write as a fraction. Shivina, clear? Okay. And one more. This is a, please understand map. Now all natural numbers are whole numbers are integers are rational. So this is all one side. So rational numbers means integers, whole, natural. This all will be there. Irrational number, the red color is different. So the combination of rational and irrational together called real numbers. If any number is a rational, it is not a irrational. Either rational or irrational. Any one only. So one more. Real numbers divided into two parts. Rational, irrational. Rational means integers, whole numbers, natural numbers. We know that. Integers, negative numbers also there. Whole numbers, 0 is extra. But here, rational numbers means terminating decimal, repeating decimal. So terminating, repeating also there. Irrational numbers, non-terminating, non-repeating. Here observe, terminating. Here non-terminating. Here repeating. Here non-repeating. Simple. Terminating, repeating are rational. Non-terminating, non-repeating are irrational. If you want to copy, just copy like that. I'll give 1 minute. Shifali, is it clear? Just what is real number?
Yes, sir.
So combination of rational and irrational. Copy this diagram all, please. Done, Shivina? Voice done?
Yes, sir.
Shall I go to next? Thank you. Shall I go to next slide?
Sir.
Okay. Is it Samita? 1 second.
Yes, sir.
Shivina, clear? Just show that.
Sir, what is terminating decimals?
So I'll explain you next. Just this is a divide into parts. Next slide is that only. I'll explain you. Okay? Terminating, repeating. Non-terminating, non-repeating also I'll explain you. Just this is the division of real numbers. Clear? Siddhartha. Yeah. Shall I go?
Answer.
Sir, one
Yes.
I mean irrational numbers and non-terminating and non-repeating.
Speed up, boy. Yes, thank you, Shafali. Understand. Yes, children. Shall I? Yes. Yeah. Look here. Shafali, look. All girls here. Decimal expansion. Terminating is rational number. Non-terminating. So the division divided in two parts. Terminating, non-terminating. Terminating pakka rational number. Non-terminating also divided in two parts. Either repeating, non-repeating. If repeating is rational, non-repeating is irrational. So what is repeating? What is non-repeating? We'll go there. So same like that. Here, repeating. Please mute yourself, children. Please mute somebody. So here, non-terminating decimals. Repeating decimal is converted into rational, and non-repeating convert into, like we cannot convert as a fraction. That's why irrational. So look here. What is terminating decimal? A terminating decimal must have the finite number of digits after the decimal point. If you started division, the division going to end in simple words. Yes, here 0.375. Generally, if you divide it by 3 by 8, you will get answer is this. It is also must be a rational number. We can express as a rational. Here, how many decimal points are there? How many? 3. So 3 digits, finite number. If you go to here, 7.245.9. How many digits are there?
4, sir.
4. 9.8. So 1 digit. Clear? So here, if you observe that the division is end. So they are saying that the decimal places are finite. It's a terminating decimal. Terminating means simple. Division, you will get remainder 0. You will get remainder 0. One more example. Here, repeating decimal. 1 second. Yes. Observe here, first example. 20 divided by 8. 20 divided by 8. So, what is the remainder, children?
0.
What is the remainder?
0.
Remainder 0. If remainder 0 is called terminating decimal. First clear? Terminating clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Aditya clear?
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Now, come to next example. 10 divided by 3. 10 divided by 3. So, if you take 3 3 is 9. 1 is remainder. If you take decimal point 0, 3 3 is 9. So, you will continue that. So, always same. What you are getting? 3.333 and so on. Yes or no? So, come down. 10 by 3 is equal 3.333. We are getting, it's never end. That's why 10 by 3 we can write as 3 point. You are repeating term now, you can write 3 bar. The line is called bar. This is terminating. This is non-terminating. Division, you got remainder 0? You got remainder 0? No.
No, sir.
You will not get remainder 0. But the division going continuation, you can continue like that. But here only one term is repeating. 3 3 3 3 repeating. What is repeating? One number only repeating. That's why I given you previous example here. Here, come to second part. Non-terminating, green one, children. Repeating. Repeating means, what is the repeating?
Again and again.
Yeah, so like 4
So the 3 is repeating.
Like
3.3 is called rational. Means you have to learn two things here. Terminating, rational. Non-terminating also, if repeating, is a rational. I will come to one more example here. Here, children, repeating 55.6, like we can continue that. From here on, no matter how many zeros we'll put down, we will always get 10, and the next number will be always be 3. So the 3 is repeating. Here, children, previously, if you observe here 3.3, after decimal point only number is repeating. Is it clear? But here, after one place, after 18.5, 333. But whatever, children, after one decimal point, the next second number is repeating. It's not a matter. Clear, children? But 3 also repeating only. This is also repeating, and you can express as a rational. 1 second, children. I'll give you one example. Please do it, all of you. Start doing. 3 by 13. It is a terminating or non-terminating? Please tell me. Three by 13. 3 by 1 3.
Terminating, sir. 13 or 30, sir?
1 3 1 3. Open your textbook, exercise 1.3. First question, fourth sum. If you open textbook, page number 14, exercise 1.3, question number 1, fourth sum. Laksh?
Sir, it is not.
Sir, is it 3 by 13 or 13 by 3?
3 by 13. Open a textbook. Oh, sorry. If you have any e-copy like NCERT download, you can. 3 by 1 3. Divya, what you want answer? Chris, Carney, Arbaz?
Sir, it is not.
4.3.
Sir, it is
4.3 bar.
infinite number of 3. So it's
Yes.
3 bar.
It's non-terminating.
4.3 bar.
Simple children. No.
4.3.
Yes. I don't want bar and is it terminating, non-terminating? One word say enough.
Non-terminating.
Non-terminating.
Stop it. Yes, we'll stop. We will discuss. Continue now. Stop. Add. Laksh. Done. Okay. Keep video hide. Okay. Now, I am giving you one more example, children. 5 divided by 11. If you continue that, here 4, 5. Previous sum, only 3 repeating. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 1 digit repeating. So here 2 numbers are repeating. 2 numbers also we can repeat.
2 numbers will have bar.
Yes, go down. So here we can write 0 last 5 by 11 is equal to 0.45 bar together. Do this sum 5 by 11 you also. Shivina, 5 by 11 take it and do it. Don't copy. Try to do. Laksh, do it. Done? Aditya, you got 0.45. Just stop it. I'll continue class after you can do it.
Sir, I got it.
Shifali, you got 4.5? Shifali.
Sir, 0.
Yeah.
So it's 0.4543.
Yes,
Sir,
yes.
Yes, sir. 0.454.
So here 4 5 is repeating like that. Look here. So we can write 0.45 bar. It's a rational number. Is repeating is there or not? If repeating means rational, non-repeating means irrational. So what is the answer? Shivina, give the answer here. What? How you write? Second, 7 by 6. You tell me answer. Unmute yourself first.
Sir,
Yes.
1.16.
1 6
Yes, sir.
over.
1.16.
6 is repeating or not?
Yes, sir.
So 6 bar. Yes, Shifal, clear? Is it correct, Shifali? Yes. Laksh video hide. It's moving. Audio enough.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I didn't understand this 7 by 6, sir.
7 by 6 you are not understand? Yes, Mohit.
Didn't understand this 7 by 6.
Yes. If you take 7 by 6, if you do division, you will get answer is 1.16666 and so on. Okay, Hardik. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Mohit.
Yes, sir.
So you will get answer like this 1.16666 and so on. So you will write 1.1 is same, only 6 is repeating. So
Yes,
you
sir.
write 6 bar. Yes, Shifali. Ask.
Yes, sir.
1 second, sir. Sir, this 5 by 11 question, how did they get 0, sir?
5 by
11 question, sir.
here. Because 5 is smaller than 5 by 11. We can't divide. So you will take first number 0 point. They started. If you take first 0, you will take. Don't follow this because he kept point. You don't follow that. You do your division. This is one copy paste now. Clear. Generally, if you take 5 by 11 is not possible. You take 0 and 0. That time 50 will come. You don't see the solution. You do it, you will get the same answer.
Okay, sir.
Now, one more. Look here. You'll get clear, children. Laksh, stop playing, Laksh. 36 by 100. 36 by 100. We can express as 0.36. Clear? Laksh video hide the Laksh. It's getting distraction. Please hide it video. Yes, thank you. So 36 by 100. So there are two zeros are there in the denominator. So 2 decimals point before number. It's a terminating. Is it clear? So 1 by 11. If you do division, you will get answer 090909. So only here 09 repeating. 2 numbers repeating. That's why we'll write like 0.09 bar. So is non-terminating repeating. Here 4 1 by 8. 4 8 4 the 32 plus 1 33 by 8. It is a, if you do division, you will get reminder 0. Once right, start doing 33 by 8. Everybody, show me answer. 33 by 8.
Sir, I had a doubt in the previous slide, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes, Divya.
Sir, before, sir, when there's a chart for rational and irrational.
Here?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Aren't non-terminating repeating decimals, sir?
Non-terminating?
Non-terminating are repeating decimals, right, sir?
Yeah, 1 second here. One. Yeah, you will get clear here. Terminating is rational. Non-terminating repeat is rational. Non-repeating is irrational. Yes. Ask Divya again now. Ask. Hello.
Sir, so all of those numbers are rational numbers, sir. The 3.33 bar, they're all rational numbers, sir.
Yes, yes. We will prove that exercise 1.3 is that only.
Okay.
So
Okay.
4.125 is the answer. 4.125.
Very good. Divya. Divya. Your
Yes, sir,
doubt
got
clear?
it, sir.
Yes. Divya, here observe Divya. 3.3 bar. 3.3 bar will express as a 10 by 3. This is the next slide, next class. Okay? How we'll convert as a rational, we'll show that. Now, so all of you got same answer, boys. Supradeep.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
We got the same answer.
Asad,
We got
Asad, Gibson,
Yes, sir. Same
Yashwil,
answer.
Same answer.
Yashwilu, Shainavi, Aditi. Okay. Now here children, next, fourth example, 3 by 1, 3. So 0.230, I think you did previous, yes or no? So 0.23076, there is no common, if you observe here, 230769, 230769. It's a non-terminating as well as repeating. You are repeating every after 6 digits. It's a rational number. It's a rational number. Keep it in mind. So not only one digit, 2 digits also they can repeat. 3 also they can repeat. 4 also no problem. 5. Here 6 digits are repeating. Don't decide. You are doing 1, 2, 3 numbers. It's not coming in. No. Here 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After again 230769. That's why I asked you previous, repeating or non-repeating. Terminating, non-terminating. You said non-terminating. But non-terminating as well as repeating.
So non-terminating is like in that it repeats, right?
Non-terminating?
So I didn't understood non-terminating, sir. Like
Non-terminating, 2 types. Non-terminating is repeating, not repeating, non-repeating. Clear? Here repeating means like that will repeat. So repeating means like this. Then Aditya. Yes?
yes, sir.
Here 6 digits. If you observe here only 2 digits.
Yes, sir.
18. Here, however, the division is remainder 0. Maybe there is no repeating, but there is no dot, so on. The division end. So it's a terminating. Yashwelu, clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, of irrational numbers, square root of non-perfect squares is a 5. Like root 4 is not a irrational because root 4 means 2. Yes or no? Square root of 4 is, you learn in 8th grade, square and square root chapter. Root 4, yeah, root 4 is 2. Root 9?
3.
Root 16?
4.
So, some square root numbers are not irrational numbers. Now, here, so previous, all you understand what is terminating, what is non-terminating. Non-terminating, repeating, non-repeating. So when you are doing the exams, you will get answer, children. Once look here, root 2 we cannot express as a rational. That's why irrational. Root 12 irrational. Why 25 is rational?
Because root 25 is a square of
Square root of 5.
Square root of
5. 5.
Okay. Now, 5 by 11, however, is rational. Root 6 is irrational. Root 6 can be expressed as any perfect square?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now, real numbers means all fractions, roots, decimals, combination of all numbers. Combination of all numbers. Real numbers means either rational. Rational also there, irrational also there. Together is called real numbers.
Sir, I didn't understand how square numbers are irrational numbers. Square roots.
Number here, for example, root 2 is there. Can you express as a p by q?
Root 2.
Yeah,
No, we can't. Sir.
because you can, for example, I'm telling you,
Yes.
root 2 you can say only one thing. Root 2 by, you can say 1. After
Yeah.
you can express anything.
No.
Because if you take 2, 2 express as 4 by 2
Yeah.
and 10 by 5, for example. I'm writing few things. 10 by 5, yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we have so many ways to write like this. But irrational number we cannot express in p by 5. This is different, children, because only one time is possible. We can write. So 2 we can write 4 by 2, 10 by 5, like that and so on.
Yeah.
So that's why root 2 we cannot express in p by q form. That's why irrational. 12 also we cannot. That's why irrational. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Shivina, clear? Any doubt? Now only ask. Samita, Ishta, Shainavi,
This
Ativi,
C6 is
Vidya.
irrational, sir.
Amma, Pavani is not there. Hello?
Sir.
Shifari ask.
Sir, 66 is irrational, no, sir.
Yes, 64 is a rational. Root 64 is 8 square. Let the root 64 means 8. We can express as a 8. But 66, no. Only perfect square numbers are rational, remaining no. Root 100, we can express as a 10. This, Shivina, clear? Show me like. Yes. So, Pavani, clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. So, boys, 8th year boys. Gibson, Mohit, Siddhartha Athuri, Siddhartha Khe.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Thank you, boys. Now, so children, come from back. Here, -1, we know that -1 is a integer. -1 is a integer. -1 also rational also. Yes or no? Now we can call real number also. If you observe, every number is a real. Every number is a real. Every number is a real. But either irrational or rational, any one. If number may be rational, either irrational. If you voice clear. So here
Sir.
root 3 is there. 3 is a natural number, whole number, integer, rational, real we can call. So here root 17 cannot express as a rational. That's why only irrational and real. Real is common for all numbers. Every number is a real number. Every number is a real number. But two groups, either rational group, either irrational group. Is it clear all?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Divya or Shainavi, Samita, anyone if you have doubt, please ask. Shivang, Viraj.
Sir, I didn't understand the repeating part.
Repeating part. Okay. Okay, Latisha, I'll give you exercise 1.3. Please do it. I'll continue tomorrow also. Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now. So, few examples. Root 5 is a whole number that is not a perfect. So if children, I think please join again. I think only 2 minutes are there. Please join again. 2 minutes I'll complete. Huh? Root 5 is a whole number that is not a perfect square. So it is rational and real. Minus 12.75 is a rational and real. 12 point decimal number now is a terminating. We can express. Root 16. Root 16 means nothing but 4. So 4 by 2 we can real number. So real numbers means combination of rational and irrational. So here observe, this is the most important. State each number is a rational, irrational or not is real. Here 4 by 0, denominator 0 is not a real number, means we cannot undefined term. Denominator not equal to 0. That's why when we are giving definition only P by Q, Q not equal to 0 will give the definition. That's why it's not a real number. So, Shifali, what is the first answer? Question number 6 answer. Boys, girls, ready? Yes. What is the first answer? Is it true or false?
Sir, false.
True, sir.
True, sir.
Who said false? Mohit?
Yes, sir.
True, sir.
Yeah. Minus 5. Minus 5 is a rational. Root 8 is a rational.
No, sir.
Root 8 is a perfect square.
Yes, sir. No.
Root 8 is perfect square.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes. Root 9 is perfect square. So they said root is rational. False. Root 16 is a natural number.
False.
True, sir.
Root 16 means 4. 4 is a natural number. True.
True, sir.
So should we solve the answer and then get this?
Yeah. Just root 16. Simple question, Amma. Just root 16 means 4 we can express. That's my answer. So minus 3.25 bar. I told you if your bar is there, we can express as a rational. But here decimal point is there. If decimal point means integer, is it true?
Sir.
No, sir.
Sir, false.
Is it?
False.
So here observe 2.43443. There is no proper order. Here 43, next time 400, like 43443, 44, like that. There is no common repeating. Any two terms are repeating? No. Order should be repeating. So it is a rational. It is a false.
False.
Open your textbook all up immediately. Sorry. I think ebook. Ebook. Okay. If you don't have ebook, no problem. Exercise 1.2, question number 1.
Wait, sir, I'll see, sir.
Okay. State whether the following statements are true or false. Every irrational number is a rational. True or false? Just show that. Every irrational number is a real or not? Yes or no?
True, sir.
Shainavi, Shivina, any doubt? Yeah. So give here red culture. First answer. True statement, because all rational numbers are all irrational numbers from the group is real numbers. Answer over. Just too simple. Now, second, every point on a number line is the form root m, where m is a natural number. Because observe it. Mohit, the answer is there. You will say false. Can you explain how? Yeah. Right, children. False statement, because no negative number can be in the square of root. Like here, the meaning is, for example, root 4 is there. So we can express it is a 2. What about root of minus 4? We didn't learn still. Last year also we don't discuss about if minus is there inside the root.
Minus 2, is it minus 2?
No. That's why they are saying answer here.
Sir, it can't be, sir, because minus 2 into minus 2 is...
Minus 2 into minus plus 2. Minus Shivang and all. So any value you have root, there is no proper ratio, perfect square. They are not perfect squares. Observe here. Because no negative number can be the square root of any natural numbers. There is no natural number for square root like this. Okay. Last, every real number is irrational. Every real number is irrational. Come back. False statement, because rational numbers are also a part of real numbers. 1 second. Yeah. This is the false statement, because real numbers means rational numbers also. They are saying every real number is irrational. No. I think irrational numbers are real, but not all reals are irrational. If you have a textbook, please write the answer just true or false enough. That textbook means e-copy if you take a print out. Otherwise, leave it, no problem. Okay. So this how to draw number line, let's explain you in next class. Still, do you have any doubt? Please ask me. Latisha. If you have no doubt, please you can leave that class. Latisha.
Go back in slides.
Yeah, Latisha.
Yes, sir. Like,
come back here.
Like, if it's repeating, is it irrational numbers or is it rational number?
Say again.
So if the number is repeating, do you call it rational number or irrational? Because it cannot be expressed as anything.
If repeating means rational. Repeat. If 3 is there na? Rational. Latisha.
Yes, sir.
These two are rational only. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Terminating also rational, non-terminating also rational. And the non-terminating, this is repeating or not?
Yes, sir.
Latisha, can I see your video?
So like my video is not just getting switched on.
Okay. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is also a rational number. This is also rational number. But 3.141592, there is no repeating. That's why non-recurring. Recurring means non-repeating, non-terminating like. So this is called irrational. This is irrational. If you open once, Latisha, do you have a textbook?
So I only have the PDF.
Can you open once?
Yes, I opened it.
Please once open. All of you children do homework. Exercise 1.3 first question. Just. Right? 1.3 first question. Latisha.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 second. Page number.
So it's on page number 14.
Yeah. One second. I'm coming. Yeah. 9. Page number 9. Page number 9. Your textbook e-copy. There is example 5. Right, children? After you can check it. Example 5. Page number 9. They given 3 examples. Just observe. Latisha,
Yes, sir.
you open?
Yes, I opened it.
First one, 10 by 3. 10 divided by 3, you got 3.333. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So first one is a terminating, non-terminating?
Non-terminating.
Non-terminating, but repeating or not?
It is repeating, so it's a rational number.
That's a rational number. Go to next one. So 7 by 8, they kept 0.0, don't consider X. 7 by 8. If you do division, you will get 0.875. Remainder is 0. Is that terminating, non-terminating?
Terminating, but it is a non-repeating number.
So, yes. But terminating is rational number. Terminating is rational. Go to example 3. 1 by 7. 1 by 7. This is from e-book children. So here 0.1428. I think 1 second I'll share you. Yes. Now, Aditya, can you see this? Aditya. Latisha. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now is clear this one, this page?
I understood it, sir.
Come here. So here if you observe that, if you see 0.142857, here starting with 1, again starting with 1. That means if 1 will come, again we have to take 0. That means this is also how we'll write, children? 0.142857 bar. Yes, because repeating, non-terminating, but repeating also after 6 digits. You got 1 now, you have to understand like that.
But how is it repeating?
I understood it, sir.
Here 1 is there. Shifali, here 1 is there now. So 1 means you will take point and you will take 0 and you will 10. You will continue. Yes or no? What is the remainder here? 1. So what you will do again? Again point. Already point is there now. You will take again 0. 0 means 7 1s are again 1 will come here. Here 1 you will take. Like that is continue. Any doubt?
Sir, can you go back to your PowerPoint presentation?
Yes.
So I have you said
Yes, yes.
one example. It was 0.14285. Those many numbers got repeated. But what if there? How many max numbers can get repeated, sir?
What?
Sir, like some places 6 numbers get repeated.
Yeah.
So how many max numbers can get repeated, sir?
There is no max and minimum. They can.
They can go up till 10 numbers repeating.
Yes. You have to once when you are doing that you will realize. Well, if you have, I think your textbook one last term is there. I think if you have your textbook page number exercise only. I think 1/17 something is there. Question number 5. Just check it. You will get long division that from your textbook. Yeah, Shifali.
Sir, that real number slide, sir.
Real numbers means this one.
Down.
Comparison of example. This.
Sir, after this, after this. No, sir. This one. 30.
One. Yes.
There is a minus comma 63.1000, and then they have repeated numbers which are different. So how can we know that?
This is irrational. Irrational also called real numbers. The given example is irrational. Okay, now this is topic is real. Real means here minus like here 11/10 is there. 11/10 is there like fraction or rational number. Rational number is real number. Irrational number is real number. That is the meaning here. Just examples only this. Any doubt, children? I think 10:51 or 52. We have next class also. Is it clear all?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you.
Sir.
So thank you so much, children. Yes. You can leave. Remaining you can leave. Yes. Who is that? Yes. Sir. So Pradeep, do you have any doubt? Can I close this class? Thank you, children. Please do homework 1.3, question number 1. That is the homework. Yes? So, root 5, how to draw number line is there, something. I will explain that one. Please do it this. Shifali, clear? Shivina? Yes, children, thank you. Seven, sir? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Can I stop there, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Children, any doubt, please ask. Tarun, Subhas